What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the I Can Only Be G channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're getting into a tutorial of this luscious, beautiful Afro hairstyle, crochet style. Today I'm using the Expression Springy Twist Afro hair in the color 1B, 12 inches long. I purchased this off of Amazon. Now today I am going to be doing a protective crochet style, and get into it, you guys. Get into my little length there. Yes, I'm proud of the length. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I did the big chop, and I'm just getting my growth on, you know. So yeah, I'm not going to be doing a whole bunch of talking throughout this video because it's pretty self-explanatory. Girl, it's too easy. This style is easy, cute, and just everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and get things parted off, ready for braiding my braid pattern for the crochet style. If you're not the best braider, this is a really easy braid pattern. You don't have to do super detailed braid work if you don't want to. I was kind of pressed for time, so I was making it as simple as possible. So I'm just parting out my leave out. I will be leaving that out, but you do not have to. Just in case I wanted to wear a high puff or a ponytail or something like that, I do leave a little hair out. But the braid pattern that I selected is super easy. And like I said, you don't have to be the best braider. Your braids don't have to be super neat. Just, you know, get it in how you can, sis, pretty much. So yeah, this is the braid pattern that I selected. I am moisturizing my scalp with my hair butter that I create. It will be available on theglowkeys.com. You know, I always got to give a shameless plug, y'all. But yes, at theglowkeys.com, you can purchase our body butters and scrub. We're also on Etsy at The Glow Keys. So like I said, pretty easy, straightforward braid pattern. I do not like a lot of tension on my scalp, so I try to do it as loose as possible. It doesn't have to be neat, it doesn't have to be perfection. Just get it in how you can, because the hair is definitely fluffy and big, and it will be covering these braids. I did go ahead and decide to reuse the hair that I had just taken out. I did wash and condition the hair, so don't come for me. But I did decide to reuse the hair because I found out this hair just ends up in landfills. They can't be recycled or anything like that. So I just wanted to do my part for the environment and reuse this hair a second time. But I did mix it with new hair as well because I didn't have enough. So now I'm just attaching the hair. We have so many videos on YouTube on how to attach crochet hair, but I did slow it down so you can get a feel on how you attach the crochet hair. So what you do is you're going to insert your needle under your braid. You can go upwards or under. Then you're going to attach the hair to the hook, close the hook, pull the hair through your braid, remove the hook, and that leaves you with a loop. Once you get your finger through that loop, pull that hair through the loop to create a knot. Then you're gonna tighten, and that's it, sis. It's so easy. Styling our hair doesn't have to be super complicated. We can get these styles done, and you can do your hair, your kids' hair, and protect your hair and grow it out how it needs to be, honey. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish putting in the hair. I did space the hair out maybe an inch or so that I can get that full look, but not overly full. And please don't mind that lint that I see in the hair. I didn't know that was right there, but yeah. When I get to the last row in the front, I will begin doing the invisible method. I'm going to slow it down a bit. With the invisible method, it's going to make your hair look like it's coming out your scalp. So you're going to go ahead and attach it the same way you did as in the back. Only when you pull the hair through that loop, don't pull the whole piece of hair through. Just grab half of it like I did there. Grab half and pull half through the loop and make that knot. So this invisible method, you're not able to see the knots, and it just blends seamlessly with your natural hair, making it seem like it's growing right out of your head. Girl, this is my hair, okay? This is my hair. I really enjoy this hair. I love the texture. It matches my hair perfectly. It comes in different lengths. Next time, I think I will be getting a longer length. So now I'm just going to continue this invisible method across the top of my head, and I'll come back when I'm doing something that needs to be talked about. So now I'm finished with the installation of the hair, and I'm taking my handy dandy blow dryer and just stretching things out a bit. Now this hair does mimic 4C hair a whole lot. It even shrinks back up. But yeah, I'm just stretching things out so that it can be a little bit more uniform than laying flat. But this is a step that you can definitely omit. But be careful when you're doing this step because it straightens really quick. So if you pull it taut and put that blow dryer near it, it can straighten the hair. So just be careful with that. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the front. I did decide to do this leave out and braid the front up. If I leave the hair in for a little bit, I can always redo these braids or do different styles or wear it in a ponytail or things like that. So when you have a little leave out in front, it gives you a lot of leeway to do other things with the style. But like I said, you don't have to do this. You can definitely crochet it all the way up without any leave out. But this is just what I decided to do this time. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4 French braids with beads on the end. I thought it was really cute and very just, I don't know, it's just bomb to me. I like how it looked. I like how it turned out. So I'm not going to keep talking. Go ahead and vibe to the music. I hope you guys love the style. Check me out on Instagram at ICanOnlyBG. Also check out my business page, The Glow Keys, and give me a follow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found value in this video. If you want to see more videos like this, I do have more tutorials coming out, as well as body butter making videos and formulation. So hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit a like on the video, as it does help me be found in the algorithm of YouTube, and share the video. Until next time, you guys, I really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. And hey, to all my new subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for rocking with me. And I'm going to try to start posting more consistently. But yeah, you guys, until next time, peace out. Much love.
Wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark.